The Met Office issued a yellow levels alert for Friday covering the East Midlands, East of England, North East England, North West England and the Yorkshire and Humber region. But these will be hit and miss, with many areas missing out completely. A Met Office forecaster said, whilst many places are likely to remain dry, there is the potential for thunderstorms to develop during Friday afternoon, lasting well into the evening. Where these occur, expect torrential downpours with as much as 30 millimeters of rainfall in 1 hour and 60 millimeters in 3 hours. Large hail and strong, gusty winds will be additional hazards. The storm is likely to bring a much welcome break to the searing heat wave this week for many, but for others temperatures could soar to 35°C and more on Friday. A plume of sweltering air dubbed the Mediterranean melt is said to make Britain hotter than Jamaica by the end of the week, as temperatures are said to soar to at least 35°C. The Met Office issued an amber alert urging people to either stay out of the sun or at least find somewhere shady between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. And Public Health England has issued guidance warning that vulnerable people could be at risk in the scorching heat. Official figures stated several locations in the UK have had 54 consecutive dry days, starting on May 30th, including a few which have had less than 1 millimeter of rain in the entire 54-day period, the longest spell since 1969, when 70 days passed with no significant rainfall. The longest run of days with no rain at all this summer so far is 48 days at Brooms Barn, near Bury St Edmunds, since June 5. A spokesman said, "It's the driest first half of the summer since 1961. For the UK as a whole, we've only seen about 20% of the rainfall we'd normally expect throughout the whole summer." Parts of southern England have seen only 6%.